Today we look at VidMage AI. It's an AI tool to let you swap faces in images and videos, remove objects, and even a clothes changer is on it, all just with a few clicks. Let's go in. So first go on VidMage.ai. Here you have an overview about the tool. On the tab you have the different features like the photo face swap, video face swap. You can also video upscale, enhance, or edit images like object remover or clothes changer. We just hop right into it by swapping face now. Let's try an image face swap with a picture of myself and a picture of an old man. We just hit swap face. As you can see, we have 3/4 remaining, 7 images or 15 seconds video. We can also do GIFs. He's now performing the face swap, and 10 seconds later we have our result, and he replaced our face with the face of the old man. He did not alter the background or anything else, just the face, and it's just perfect. Another cool feature is the video face swap feature. We have a video about this man here.
Eating healthy isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling powerful. When you fuel your body with nutritious food,
We upload our face photo and we just hit swap face, and the result is astonishing. VidMage just nailed it. Look at this.
Eating healthy isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling powerful. When you fuel your body with nutritious food, you're literally regenerating your...
He did not alter the person itself or the background. It's just perfect. The lip sync all working together. Amazing. VidMage also supports multiple face swap for photos and videos. Let's try the photo first. We uploaded a group picture of 4 men. After uploading, he automatically detects the different faces. We just wanna swap all faces with mine. We are ready and hit swap face. And here we have a live preview. And as you can see, he altered the faces with mine perfectly, just slightly, but this man is like me in old. Very nice, very good. We can also download the image or regenerate it, but that's awesome. Now we try the same with the video swap feature. We have the same picture just as video, as you can see here. And now we replace all faces in the video with mine, hit swap face. The speed of VidMage is just awesome. It only takes 10 to 20 seconds for the whole video. It's just great. And as I said, seconds later we have our result. Let's look at it. Perfect. It's me. 4 clones of me, old version, very nice. With more features to discover, let's try some AI image features like the object remover. So we uploaded the image of a beach here, and now we can brush the object we want to remove. Just do it like this and you hit start removing. And as you can see, the result is just great. You don't see any difference just removing the object. That's perfect for any pictures with people you wanna erase. Logos or also watermarks are easy to replace or remove. Another awesome feature is the clothes changer. So we have the picture of this man and we want to replace the jeans with red jeans. We select lower body and just hit start changing. It can't be easier. And the result just shocked me. Look at this. He replaced perfect the black jeans with the red ones, but did not alter anything on the jacket or the hands or the shoes. It just replaced the jeans as we wanted without any text comment, just by clicking and uploading our images. It can't be easier. Very nice, very good. Here a feature comparison between VidMage and other face swap tools. You have lower codes, no watermark. You have also real-time face swapping by downloading the software for Mac. You have free trial to use and it's just working perfectly. Very good. So if you liked VidMage AI, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.